In this video, I will show you how to migrate from Gemini CLI to Antigravity in just a few minutes. When I started Gemini CLI recently, I received a message recommending migration to Antigravity. This message is telling you that the old Gemini CLI is no longer supported for individual users and you need to move to the something called Antigravity. If you are seeing the same thing, don't worry, I will walk you through the entire process. First, let's uninstall the Gemini CLI. Open your terminal and run this command. Once the command completes, type Gemini. As you can see, Gemini is no longer available on your system. Now it's time to install Antigravity. I have placed the installation command in the video description. Simply copy the command and paste it into your terminal. The installation process will begin automatically. After a few moments, Antigravity is installed successfully. To launch it, type AGY. As you can see, Antigravity starts up successfully. Next, choose your preferred login method. In my case, I am using Google OAuth. Open the login link, authenticate your account, copy the generated key and paste it back into your terminal. Once the authentication is completed, you will be asked to choose color scheme. Select whichever theme you prefer. Accept the terms and finish the setup. Now let's confirm everything is working. I type who are you? And the response comes back immediately. I'm an Antigravity and it tells us it's powered by the Gemini 3.5 Flash model. That's it. Migration complete. You went from broken Gemini CLI to fully working Antigravity CLI. One thing worth knowing, Antigravity CLI also supports running multiple agents at the same time in the background. So if you give it a large task like refactoring a whole code base, it can spin up parallel agents to work on different parts at the same time. That's something the old Gemini CLI could not do at all.